Hi, this is Lara at Elliott Wave Stock Market with your weekly US oil analysis, recorded after New York's close Tuesday the 9th. I'm recording this now, Wednesday the 10th of July, New York time at 4:40 a.m. in the morning, New York time. As of last week, my wave count changed and expected more upwards movement. That's what we've got. The target's getting pretty close now. The structure's still incomplete and I'm expecting a little bit more upwards movement, maybe for a few hours to another, maybe up to 24 hours. We'll see how this one unfolds. The bigger picture sees oil in a big second wave correction now at intermediate degree, unfolding as a big zigzag. Within the zigzag, minor wave B was a triangle over here, and this is where the final C wave up begins. It's unfolding as an impulse. We have minute 1 and 2 complete. Minute wave 3 will reach 1.618, the length of minute wave 1, at 105.57. When the third wave is complete, we'll expect a sideways shallow correction for a fourth wave at minute degree, which can't move back into wave 1 price territory. Movement below 99.21 in the short to mid-term would invalidate this wave count. And when that's done, more upwards movement. When I know where the third and fourth wave have ended within the C wave, I'll then calculate a target for it to finally end for you. Intermediate wave 1 has its start at 110.56. Wave 2 may not move beyond that start. Movement above 110.56 would invalidate this wave count. At that stage, if that happens, I'd expect a lot more upwards movement. My alternate monthly wave count expects quite a long continuation of upwards movement. So that's an important price point. If it's breached, we've got a long way up to go. If price manages to remain below this invalidation point and complete a nice 5-wave structure up, then I expect we may have a strong downwards wave to follow. Let's have a look at this third wave on the hourly chart from its start down here, this point down here. So far within the third wave, I expect we have 1, 2, a long extension within the middle of it. Within it, that third wave is extended. This all has a really typical look. A fourth wave correction over here and the final fifth wave unfolding. As I said on the daily chart at 105.57, minute wave 3 in its entirety will reach 1.618, the length of minute wave 1, just 3 cents above that, at 105.6. Minuet wave 5 would reach equality in length with minuet wave 1. Because there's no Fibonacci ratio between this long third wave at minuet degree and the first wave, I would expect to see a Fibonacci ratio for the fifth wave and either the first or third. I'd also expect this fifth wave to probably end midway in this channel. That's pretty common for fifth waves. This channel is drawn as a best fit from these two highs up here along, as a best fit along up here, with a parallel copy placed on the low of minuet wave 2. Shows us where price finds support here and here. When this parallel channel is really clearly breached with downwards movement, then you can expect that this third wave at minute degree is probably over, and the following fourth wave correction should then be underway. Given the guideline of alternation, minute wave 2 is a very deep, brief, sharp zigzag. I'd expect minute wave 4 to alternate and to be a shallow, sideways moving, maybe more time consuming, flat, triangle or combination. But the upwards movement's not quite over yet. I have a very small 3-cent target zone with a decent probability for a bit more upwards movement. That structure's not quite complete, should be over fairly soon though. And then look out for a little sideways correction to last maybe 3 to 5 days. That's all for me today with your oil analysis, and I hope that everybody had a fantastic week.